Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage notifications on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings. Then click on System section over here and select Notifications. Now you need to click on this switcher next to Notifications to switch them off or on from apps and other senders. Then you can do exactly the same next to all of those features, like Privacy. Following that, click on Focus Assist and adjust all of its options however you wish to. For example, in order to receive all notifications, select Off. If you want to make your priority list, click on Priority Only. Select Customize Priority List and adjust it however you want to. I will go with Show Reminders regardless of the app use. Now you need to scroll down and add your apps and contacts that you wish to use in Focus Assist Priority List. I will go with Add an App, select Privacy and go back. Now scroll down and adjust automatic rules. For example, when I click on when I'm playing a game and click on this switcher, all notifications from my device will be disabled if I'm playing. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!